Hey subscribers, this is our new YouTube account. I'm Arista. You can follow me on Twitter at expect_great21.
And I'm Jenny. You can follow me on Twitter at J_Gallegos12.
And we're going to be posting videos about any and everything. It doesn't matter the topic. If you have a suggestion, a comment, or anything, comment below and we'll make a video for it. A little about us. I'm 21, go to West Hills, play basketball. That's why our ad name, We Are Hoopers. I'm just saying. I like basketball. I like to write. I like to read. I like all that shit. All of it's good to me.
And, well, a little bit about me. I'm 19, turning 20 this year. I also go to West Hills, play basketball with this chick right here. My major, I'm about to be a police officer, so criminology.
Oh, I want to go. I'm going to be a teacher.
And, well, I don't know. I like to play ball.
We like
have
to go
fun.
out.
I'm not a really big reader like this chick.
I love to read.
But I do love to dance.
Alright.
I don't know. Just fun person.
Yeah. So if you have any comments, like we said, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to us at We Are Hoopers. Don't forget. Alright.